Welcome back to TW's Automotive Repair. We are not at the shop. Why are we here?
The Ford Edge, my daily driver, overheated last night.
Yeah.
Yeah,
what were you doing last night?
Oh, I was just sitting idle listening to some tunes.
Listen, that was all you were doing?
Yeah.
That's why you were in a secluded parking lot with my girl? We're only about a half a mile from home, so hopefully we can put some water in it and it doesn't just pour out of the bottom of it, at least get it back to the shop.
I learned from the best.
Oh. How's that look down there?
It's dry.
Yeah, I ain't getting under that car to figure that out.
Yeah.
Well, it's more than a gallon low, so at least we got Back Creek here. It's a pretty day if it warm up a little bit. Yeah, it's holding some water, so before it gets warm, we figured we just run it on home, which, look at the trees starting to bloom. Which, in Virginia, depending on how you are with Virginia pollen, that can be a great thing or a terrible thing. But yeah, it'll be full of flowers here in about a week. Yeah, it seems to be holding water. Yeah, old and milky white, so I'm gonna guess he was just a little low. Well, since that worked, Michael has him a nice new dial bore gauge and a nice broken engine and a couple spun rods. So if you didn't know it, he has his own YouTube channel and you ought to go check that out. And apparently he's gonna show us how to check the eccentricity, whatever the roundness. I call it the roundness.
The roundness of the
roundness of the rods.
Yep.
Here's a playlist with that.